Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest background. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest background, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will search about this window of Pinterest and you will enter. Here in this list of app info, you will enter the first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. When you'll find this page, we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.